Professor, what is a hedge fund? This is a question that has been asked to me so many times, so I thought of answering it this way. It is a pool of capital. What do we mean by pool of capital? A pool of capital means that multiple investors put in the money. In the case of hedge fund, these are called as accredited investor. An investor could put in 1 million, 5 million. Some other investor could put in $20 million. But these are accredited by the fund. The fund is run by the general partner who manages the trading, the operations of the company. The limited partner, on the other hand, is one that only gives the capital. So the general partner and the limited partner together collectively contribute not just the capital but also the operations of the firm. How is this defined? The defining relationship between the GP and the LP is the limited partnership agreement, and it all boils down to fees. The fees are of two types: the management fees that is paid annually by the LP to the GP, and it's a mandatory payment. The second type of fees is called as the performance fees or the incentive fees, and this is paid by the LP to the GP to the fund manager for outperformance against benchmarks like hurdle rate, high watermark, and other parameters. The hedge fund has to always try to outperform in order to get the incentive fees. The management fees could range between 1 to 1.5% of the AUM or the assets under management, whereas the incentive fees or the performance fees range anywhere between 10 to 15 or sometimes even 20% of the excess or the outperformance of the fund. Identify the odd one out in a hedge fund: general partner, accredited investors, retail investors, and